Scientists have developed cyborg cells that combine features of living cells with synthetic materials. These groundbreaking advancements may pave the way for revolutionary medical treatments and enhanced biological functions. The fusion of biology and technology could alter our understanding of life itself, creating possibilities previously thought to be science fiction. Imagine cyborg cells being used to heal injuries or combat diseases in real time, revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. As this technology develops, it challenges our ethical boundaries and forces us to reconsider what it means to be alive. With each new discovery, we approach a future where synthetic and biological life coexist, blurring the lines between man-made and natural. This innovation may lead us to unprecedented capabilities, granting humans the power to enhance their own biology. The potential to utilize cyborg cells in targeted therapies could change the face of cancer treatment, offering hope where there once was despair. By harnessing the power of nature and technology, we stand on the brink of a new era in medical science and regenerative medicine. This collaboration between biology and technology sparks a revolution that may redefine human evolution itself, leading us into the unknown. As we unlock the secrets of these hybrid entities, we must ask ourselves, what are the limits of our innovation and what ethical dilemmas will arise? Navigating this new frontier requires a careful balance between progress and responsibility, as the quest for enhancement challenges our very notions of identity. Education and public discourse will be essential in shaping the future of cyborg technology, ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. As our understanding deepens, we are on the cusp of a transformative journey that could lead us to unprecedented advancements in human health and longevity. This vision of the future is not simply about survival. It's about enhancing the human experience and exploring the potential of what we can become. The integration of cyborg cells into our lives may soon shift from laboratories to our homes, revolutionizing healthcare accessibility for everyone.